This week's CCJ Tech Shorts highlights a new multicam system, Platform Science's latest marketplace partner, and more.
Welcome to CCJ's Tech Shorts, your weekly look at technology and trucking. I'm CCJ's Tech Editor, Angel Coker. Go ahead and subscribe, and let's get started.
Teletrac Navman has debuted its cloud-based dashcam designed for operators of large commercial vehicles. The multi-IQ camera can connect up to 5 cameras across the vehicle: cab interior, side, rear, cargo area, or undercarriage cameras, alongside its built-in high-definition dual front and driver-facing dashcam. The solution uses advanced AI analytics to detect and flag incidents such as drowsiness, distracted driving, and risky driving and potential collisions, recording them in high definition. The multicam format addresses key challenges faced by trucks and large vehicle combinations where blind spots are significant and ever-present. Teletrac Navman's chief product officer said, "The multi-IQ camera represents a breakthrough. It's the first fully integrated AI-powered solution that works effortlessly with our TN360 fleet management platform to deliver a complete visual footprint of the entire vehicle. We're equipping fleet operators with real-time video coverage from every angle, combined with smart insights they can act on. From minimizing blind spots and improving driver coaching to protecting against false claims, this technology helps fleets operate more safely and efficiently." Transport Enterprise Leasing, a national provider of commercial truck and trailer leasing, sales, and remarketing, has launched a new customer portal. The portal offers a comprehensive real-time overview of equipment, including equipment status, maintenance, and repair tracking, and document access. A key feature, equipment location tracking, enables customers to monitor applicable assets in real time using interactive maps and location data. The ability to download essential lease documents, invoices, and regulatory certificates adds another layer of convenience and efficiency, said Brandon Larson, TEL, Vice President of Fleet Leasing. Platform Science Virtual Vehicle Marketplace has added Truck Parking Club to its platform. This integration enables fleets to equip their drivers with the benefit of access to Truck Parking Club's growing network of over 2,300 parking locations across the lower 48 states directly from their Platform Science devices. Fleets will also have access to Truck Parking Club's new organizations feature, enabling them to maintain control and providing them with real-time visibility and simplified billing. The integration makes it easy for fleets to manage parking benefits and expenses all directly through Platform Science devices. This combination helps fleets reduce parking search time, cut fuel waste, and improve safety by guaranteeing drivers access to parking. Drivers can maximize their hours of service and stay focused on the road, while fleets benefit from greater operational efficiency, cost control, and driver satisfaction.
That's everything from us for now. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to catch CCJ's Tech Shorts again next week. Until then, you can read more and sign up for our newsletter at ccjdigital.com. Thanks for watching.